Welcome back to Wander and Invest, where we explore the world and ways to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and empower your life's journey. If you're ready to embark on this adventure with us, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it. A quick note before we start. The content in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is not professional advice and is based on personal experience and research. Everyone's situation is unique, so be sure to seek professional guidance tailored to your needs. Remember, building financial freedom takes patience, discipline, and the right tools. In today's video, we're starting our journey by unpacking the basics of credit. What is a credit score? How does it work? And why does it matter? Understanding these fundamentals is like knowing how to read a map. It's the first step in navigating your way to financial freedom. A credit score is like a financial passport. It's a number that tells lenders how trustworthy you are with money. Scores range from 300 to 850, and the higher your score, the more financial opportunities you unlock. Think lower interest rates, better credit cards, or even approval for that dream apartment. In short, it's a 3-digit number with a huge impact on your financial journey. Now, let's break down what goes into your credit score. Think of it like planning a trip. Each piece contributes to your overall experience. Payment history, which makes up 35% of your score, is like booking your flights. Missing payments? It's like missing your plane. It disrupts the whole trip. Credit utilization, accounting for 30%, measures how much of your available credit you're using. It's like packing your suitcase. You don't want to overload it. Credit history length, which is 15%, values the longevity of your credit accounts. Think of it as loyalty points with your airline. Credit mix, making up 10%, shows you can handle different types of credit, like having a mix of travel destinations on your passport. Lastly, new credit inquiries, also 10%, can make you look desperate to lenders if there are too many, much like changing travel plans last minute. So, why does this number matter? Let's say you're planning a dream trip. With good credit, you can score low-interest loans, premium credit cards with travel rewards, and even rental cars without deposits. But with bad credit, you're stuck paying higher interest rates or missing out on those opportunities altogether. Good credit isn't just about borrowing. It's about saving money and opening doors to financial freedom. The first step to improving your credit is knowing where you stand. You can check your credit report for free at annualcreditreport.com. For ongoing monitoring, try free tools like Credit Karma or Experience Credit Tracker. Once you've reviewed your report, look for errors, overdue accounts, or areas where you can improve. We'll dive deeper into fixing errors in the next video. Maria had a 600 credit score and wanted to buy a car. She ended up with a loan at 12% interest, costing her thousands more over 5 years compared to someone with a 750 score. She started by learning what impacts her score and lowered her utilization. Today, her score is 750, and she's saving big on her next loan. Today, we unpacked the basics of credit. We explored what a credit score is, how it's calculated, and why it's the key to financial opportunities. This knowledge is your first stamp on the passport to financial freedom. Now, it's your turn. Check your credit score and let us know in the comments. What's your dream travel destination that financial freedom will help you reach? I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Wander and Invest. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next step in our journey, fixing bad credit and starting over.